Naval Support Activity Hampton Roads, or NSA HR, is a key U.S. Navy base. It's responsible for running and maintaining a large installation. NSA HR answers to Navy Region Mid-Atlantic. It sits next to, but isn't part of, Naval Station Norfolk. The base holds the largest concentration of fleet headquarters outside of Washington, D.C. United States Fleet Forces Command calls NSA HR home. Naval Reserve Forces Command is also headquartered there. United States Marine Corps Forces Command operates from the base. Important components of the Joint Chiefs of Staff are located at NSA HR. The Joint Forces Staff College's main campus is on site. NATO's Joint Force Command Norfolk resides there. NATO's Allied Command Transformation is also based at NSA HR. NSA HR manages Naval Support Activity Northwest Annex. This annex is located in Chesapeake, Virginia. NSA HR provides support services to Naval Medical Center Portsmouth. The base's history goes back to the Commander-in-Chief, U.S. Atlantic Fleet. The Atlantic Fleet was resurrected in 1941. Early on, the Atlantic Fleet staff was based on various ships. In 1948, the staff moved to a former naval hospital in Norfolk. The Atlantic Fleet commander then created a unit for logistical support. In 1977, the Atlantic Fleet Headquarters Support Activity was created. This activity provided services to tenant commands. In 2000, Headquarters Support Activity was renamed Naval Support Activity, Norfolk. In 2011, it officially became Naval Support Activity Hampton Roads, to reflect its expanded area of responsibility.